All right, this is for the fire safety ideas for summer, but you're going to have a detailed one for October. And I'm glad you've come to talk about that and to listen to that, and that's important. My name is Lisa, and I hope that you will have a liker, a like, and a subscriber later, so you can be part of the channel. So really, these are ideas and points that are important. Anyway, fire safety for summer. Uh, think about it. Flames in the background. Think about that when if something is start to happen, then you need to figure out how you're gonna save yourself and save other people that might be listening that are in your home. Safe smoke detector and fire extinguisher. Do you have a fire extinguisher in your house? And do you have a smoke detector? And if you got rid of it because you didn't want one, you're in a problem. You're stuck in a problem. So smoke detectors, please. One in the kitchen and one somewhere in your home, okay? That's critical. Escape plan. What's your plan? Can you get out? Can you get out? Pointing towards an exit. You need 3 ideas. 1, through your first door or the second door, because there has to be 2 doors, and you can consider a window, okay, if you need to do that. Exit sign glowing. So you need to have that glowing somewhere or in both doors. So I have for my bedroom, I have a glowing section. And then there's another glow to get out of our house, to get out. So that's important. Smoke alarms, so don't ignore the beeper. Nope, don't ignore it. Close up for a smoke detector. So you need to have a close up your smoke detector. So sometimes if you have it way up in the ceiling and you couldn't do it because you're a wheelchair user and nobody could do it, and then what? And then it died after a year and it continued dead. 2 years, 3 years, and you didn't do it. And you could have been taken out here. So have your smoke alarm close so you can change the battery on your own as a wheelchair user. Then surprised facial expression, da-da, for you in the middle of a smoke alarm. So that you don't have one, or it's turned on and you don't know what to do with it. So don't ignore it. Power outage, boop. So when the lights go out, and we've talked about this already in the last point that we were talking about, a flashlight that you need as a wheelchair user. So here, everywhere, I have 3 in my bedroom, 3 of them. so, so wherever I move, I have a a slight of well, or one of these. So you have it. Emergency kit, bedside for wheelchair users. So have those near. Bedside emergency kit. So I have those. Fire extinguisher. Ta-da! Do you know how to use one? Big question. Do you have one? Hello? Hello? So think about it. Holding or pointing to an extinguisher. So you have to learn how to do that. And maybe by that, go to your fire guys, and they can do an emergency fire extinguisher. They can teach you how to do it. So fire extinguisher, think about it. Emergency go bag that you've talked about. You've talked about this with me a long time ago, and I've done this a million times over and over. Are you ready to have a emergency go bag for whatever reason? Emergency backpack with medications, or charger if you're a power wheelchair user, flashlights all over the place that you can have in your go bag, and then you have your emergency documents. This is critical for you to think about all these little details. So there's gonna a lot of details in October to do this. So these are just for you to think about it and what you need to do. And I will keep this going because in October we have to do this all over again with a lot of details. I might have a fire guy might come over, and we might have this channel presentation. Yeah, presentation. So we can do a review so that you need to know about these details as a wheelchair user. If you have a family that doesn't have this information, the family are going to need to have, if they help you as a wheelchair user, then to have that information to refresh fire safety issues for your home. So let's think about it and know that October is going to become details, a lot of details, so you understand how to do it. All right, let's take care. I don't want to drive you nuts about this. So remember to do the like and subscribe to be part of the our World Wheelchair what? Do you think about it? World Wheelchair Warriors. That's who we are. All right, take care, and I'll see you soon. Take care.